Hey there, I'm Mary with Crimmins Communications, and I wanted to share 2 quick Google hacks with you. The first one is what to do if you have lots of tabs open and your computer shuts down or updates. What you do is you go into the 3 bars here in the top right corner if you're in Google Chrome, click Settings, go to On Startup, and make sure the Continue Where You Left Off button has been initiated, that it's blue. So that's when you get those aggravating shutdowns. If you have lots of tabs open like I do, you don't lose those tabs. The other hack I wanted to show you is if you're sharing a doc or slide and want to prevent a copy from being made. So what you do is when you go to Share, click on Share. Go to the wheel. When you click on the wheel, this particular box right here will be checked. You want to uncheck the box so that way your slide presentation or your document or your Google Sheets cannot be downloaded, printed, or copied. And this is just to protect your work when you're sharing your work out there with others. On these 2 quick Google hacks, I recently learned them from a woman named Dara Sklar. I'm not being paid by Dara, just want to give credit where credit is due. If you're interested in learning more about Google productivity, you can Google her, and she has a course that you can take. This is Crimmins Communications. I provide professional B2B ghostwriting, content and copywriting, research, and public speaking coaching. You can reach me at mary@crimminscommunications.com. In the meantime, may you live inspired.